What's up, YouTube? I chose the HDX Dakota Digital for my C10, and we're going to show you a little footage on how to install it. I also did the BIM module, BIM 01-2, and I went that way because I wanted to read everything off the computer. Also, YouTube, you want to get familiar with your wiring configuration of your existing cluster. Here's a picture I put up for you. Let's get started. There's some butt connectors. Yeah, butt connectors. That's what they call them. Butt connectors. Get that original look, y'all. Signal indicator. See what we get. Yeah, see that there? Cool blood. That's all, folks. Okay, now I'm wiring up the sending unit. What's up, YouTube? We've been out here trying to get everything situated. Fooling around with the Dakota gauges, trying to get them going. It's about time to wrap it up. Wired up everything, wired up the fuel sending unit. Gotta address this mess over here. I think I'm on Get all this up in here some kind of way, and we'll turn y'all back on. What's up, YouTube? We just trying to see if these fans gonna come on. I use a fan controller, which I'm gonna show y'all which fan controller I use. I got it set at 200, so good thing about this HDX Dakota digital is Bluetooth, so I'm standing outside the truck, monitor my water temperature on this app. It shows all the gauges through Bluetooth. So my water's at 177, so I'm gonna see if these fans gonna come on at 200. I got it set at 200. I might end up bumping it up a little bit to about 210, but I'm gonna see how 200, how that works. Trans temp at 131. I previously drove it, so that's why my trans temp kind of up. Been in it, went down the road, all that good stuff. So we're at 182. So it's coming up. And I'll cut y'all back on when it get close to temp. Alright, YouTube, we're up to about 197. I'm looking for the app to be kind of off a little bit. We're gonna see how much off as far as configuration by it being Bluetooth. We're at 198. We're gonna see. There they go. 199. Fans kicked on. I don't know if y'all can see that or hear that. Fans kicked on, 199 on the app. So it look like we're about a degree off using the app. Let's see where we at. Dash reading 200, app reading 199. That's closer than what I thought. Through the app, can't get no more accurate than that. And over here it says water 199. So, and you can set your range as well as far as cutting off. I think I got mine set at like 185 or something like that, where it'll cut off. Also, you got a great feature where when you turn the key off, when you turn your vehicle off, you can set it to run for how many I think you can do it up to like a minute. I didn't set that feature yet. I might end up setting it where to run probably about 10 seconds or something like that. I don't want to do a minute. I think that'll be a little too much on my battery. But it's a pretty cool feature. I just wanted to show you all that. Alrighty. Check you later. Peace. I used a PAC-2800 BT fan controller, one that Dakota Digital offer. Keep in mind, Dakota Digital is not paying me for advertisement. But yeah, all the schematics, everything is there. Pretty much plug and play.